welcome to our great course in calculus. Today we are going to see whether a function is increasing or decreasing. On this graph, I plot two functions, f and g. F is in green and g in red. Function f is an increasing function. Okay, so I plot the value of x in the vertical axis, the y-axis, as a function of x. X is the independent variable on the horizontal axis. X goes up implies that the value of the function f goes up as well. So in this formal definition here, it says that the function f is increasing, or some people call strictly increasing function, if whenever you have pick 2 points on the horizontal axis, say x1 and x2, if x1 is smaller than x2, then the function calculated at x1, f of x1, is strictly smaller than the function calculated at x2. So this holds for every pair of points that you pick, x1 and x2. Okay? Then function f is strictly increasing. It's an increasing function. In red, I plot a function g in the graph. Function g, on the other hand, is a decreasing function. The more I increase the value of x, the more the function goes down. Bigger x, smaller g of x. So if I pick any 2 points on the horizontal axis, say x3 and x4, if the points are different, I can say, for instance, x3 is the smallest and x4 is the biggest. So if x3 is smaller than x4, g of x3 is going to be bigger than g of x4. So when I increase from x3 to x4 on the horizontal, on the vertical I'm going down. Okay, g of x4 is smaller than g of x3. So function g is strictly decreasing. Now, monotonic functions, functions that are increasing or decreasing, they don't need to be strict increasing or strictly decreasing. They can be, like in this example, I have plotted in black a function h in the vertical as a function of x, and this function h is weakly decreasing. Okay? What does it mean to be weakly decreasing? It means whenever I pick 2 points, x1 and x2, if x1 is smaller than x2, then h calculated at x1 will be greater or equal to h calculated at x2. In this case here, for the specific example, I'm plotting these 2 points. They have the same value. The function is the same. So this works with equality. So this can be equality. Equality is okay. While if I pick x3 and x4, h of x3 is bigger than h of x4. So it could be inequality here as well. So here we could say that h of x3 is bigger than h of x4. Okay? But if it's strictly larger, it certainly is greater or equal as well. So the 2 possibilities, this kind of function that sometimes the function is constant, sometimes the function goes down, this is what we call weakly decreasing function. And you have the similar definition for weakly increasing function. I'm sure you can write the definition correctly. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed our show.